that time again to do the flip of the week. Check it out. This one, you guys know we usually do monster flips. We do big stuff. We love it, but we also love high profit items that are not that big, and that's what this bad boy is right here. We bought this bad boy for 10 bucks. We sold it for $540. Love that profit, love that markup on those. Those are the items that we thrive. We love doing them. So check it out. This is the flip of the week. I have bought these before, so I had a little bit in my mind. Last time I bought 5 of these boards, and we actually sold them for $500 a piece, $2,500 to one buyer. And then I saw this one a couple weeks later. I bought it knowing that it was a good deal. I did it. I paid 10 bucks for it. But I didn't know what this was originally before I bought those other ones. I just did a little bit of research. It is some type of computer component. And I still don't know exactly what it does or what it runs. It does have a name brand on it. And it does have a model and a serial number. So that's something that we always look at. Is key when you're buying stuff. And the other thing is I sold this for parts. Or I actually didn't. I sold it used, untested. So I didn't sell it for parts or repair. But the buyer knows the first thing I put in my description is for it's used and it's untested, that it's being sold as is. So you guys don't be scared to do that with items. You can definitely do that. That's what I did with this. All the components, it's not broken. It doesn't have any broken parts on it. You guys can see there's a lot of little tiny components in there. I don't know if it works. I have no way of testing it, and you just have to be honest with your potential buyers that you have no way of testing it. So you're just selling it untested. You can do it for parts and repair. That's the safest way to do it, but you can also do it used as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. I love doing these videos. I love doing flips and finds of the week. Hopefully they help you out, guys. Check it out. Let me know. Comment below and let me know if you are new to flipping or if you're a veteran flipper. I love to make content. I love to try and tailor it to you guys, that it will help you out. So if you need more information on beginning flipping, or you're experienced in this and you want some more info on the more experienced side of it, please comment below. Keep me posted. Let me know what's going on, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. See ya!